What if I tell you that 13 minutes today could unlock your dream of YouTube monetization, guys? Yes, I'm serious. Now, if you are stuck or if you have been stuck at 500 watch hours and maybe you are stuck with 1,000 watch hours, even 3,990 watch hours, guys, this video is a golden ticket. You understand? I'm not going to waste your time. In fact, by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to hit your 4,000 watch hours very fast without even paying for any watch time groups or, buying engagement or buying subscribers. You understand? You're not even going to feel that stress. All you need to do is to stick with me to the end of this video, because what I'm about to reveal to you is going to be an eye-opener to you. Now, first of all, you need to understand the requirements for you to get your 4,000 watch hours and also your monetization. Now, for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need to at least get your 4,000 watch hours. You understand? Valid public watch hours in the last 12 months of your channel creation, and also your 1,000 subscribers. You understand? You also need to, be doing your live stream and all of that. For those of you that might be interested in going into live stream also helps you to gain your 1,000 watch hours very fast. Even if it is not live stream, you can go for silent live stream or rest stream, whichever one that you feel is comfortable for you. Fine. Now, also, you're supposed to also know that short videos don't count when it comes to getting your required watch hours. No, short videos only helps your channel to gain visibilities and subscribers. It doesn't count as your watch hour, right? So if you have been creating short form videos all this while, please, you need to sit up. Okay, you can't game the system, but you can use it really, really wisely. Understand? Mind you that you also need, since those of you that are always into creating short form videos, it's not as if that short video you cannot monetize your channel through short form videos, but it's going to take a long time, because before you can get that millions of watch time or whatever short for short form videos, before you get it, it's going to take you like eternity. Okay, but then if you want to monetize faster, you need to start creating long videos, because long videos helps you to get your longer watch section. You understand? At least watch videos of at least 10 to 30 minutes. 10 to 30 minutes at most is okay. It's okay for you to gain your watch hours. If people at least can watch your a 10-minute video of yours, watch it to 8 minutes is something. You understand? So you need to work on your long form videos. You also need to also go deep on topics your niche always search for. What does your audience always look out for? Someone like me that is into YouTube tutorials, how to grow, how to get your monetization and all of that. If I want to create content, I have to look out for what people are searching within my niche, within subscribers, monetization, watch hours. You understand? So I need to create more content around these whole things. Likewise, I don't know the niche you are into. So whatever niche you are into, you need to start creating content that is around what your audience are looking for. You understand? You need evergreen content, because evergreen content brings watch time over the month, even after years later. That particular video that nobody was watching before suddenly can wake up. It is called evergreen. So if your video is useful today and still relevant a year from now, you have won. Yes, you have won. Then also another thing you need to know is you need to start posting video series and playlists. If you have not been creating playlists all this while, please create a bingeable series of playlist, part 1, part 2, part 3. You can equally go ahead and name those your playlist or series, depending on whatever name you want to give to it. Playlist really, really helps a lot. You understand? For you to gain your watch hours faster. Then also do well to always link videos together in a playlist and push it, especially in your description boxes. Link, maybe there is a video you posted last before now and you think that people have not really watched it much. You can take the link of that last video you posted and drop it down in your description box and ask your viewers, this video is this, is that, do well to watch it. And they will be forced to watch it, you understand? Also, you need to start using what we call end screen and cards. End screen and cards helps to redirect your viewers to other videos. If you're watching some people's videos, sometimes you find out that something or like another video pops up on top of the video you are watching. That thing that pops up is what we called end screen and cards. So you also need to always put it up. You are not just making videos, guys. You are building a YouTube funnel. Also, you need to repurpose your live stream. You understand? At least try to host a live stream of longer than maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Some persons host live stream of 11 hours and all of that. I don't know how they do it, especially when it comes to restream. You understand? So you need to start going live at least 1 hour. And after streaming your video, please do well to chop it into 3 to 5 short videos. Yes, clip out some parts of it and post it as short videos. Now, each stream is equivalent to 60 to 100 watch hours if you optimize it right, okay? So 1 hour of your time can really generate 100 hours of watch time or more on your channel, depending on how you are able to utilize it. Then also you need to target undeserved topics. What do I mean by target undeserved topic? Use your YouTube search suggestions, okay? Use your YouTube search suggestions tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. You understand? Make videos where there is high demand. Search out for videos that are are in high demand and but low content. You understand? For example, best you can. I don't know. There is a video I created last on how to check out for trending videos. You understand? You can check it out and go through it, okay? So your gold mine isn't just in popular trends. It's in what is missing and what is, really obtainable. That is it. Then also, do well to always engage your viewers. Yes, ask your viewers questions. Encourage comments and polls. Use pin comments under your comment sections and community posts. And for some of us that doesn't like replying comments under our comment section, you're not really doing well. Someone takes his or her time to watch your video and drop a comment, and you see that comment, you read it, and you pass by without replying. Please do well to reply to every comment within the first hours of that comment that is being dropped, because you replying your comment section is you are trying to tell the algorithm that like there is an engagement going on in that particular video. And so therefore, the algorithm will pick it up and start pushing it out to people. Okay, so mind you that engagement boosts retention when it comes to growing a channel. Yes, and retention boosts watch hours. That is just it. There's no two ways about it. Then also you need to boost your watch time with loop and end strategy. Start videos with a question or a promise you will fulfill at the end. Use visual hooks at every 30 seconds of your, like all these text, zoom, emojis, sound, pop-up and all of that. That's what I mean by visual hooks. Then create natural curiosity that keeps viewers glued. Okay, so now that you have known how to hit your 4,000 watch hours without shortcuts, scams, or stress, and remember, this isn't theory. No, this strategy only helps. It has helped me in my first channel and thousands of other creators like you to get monetized fast. So here is your next move. Make sure to rewatch this video and take note of whatever I said here. Start with one strategy at a go. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, like this video, share it because someone out there might be in need of this. You understand? Share this video because the next week or in next few days to come, I'm going to be dropping the video to show you guys how to make your first $100 threshold. You understand? After monetization. Okay, so I use stock still trying to hit that 4,000 watch hour. Guys, this video is for you, all right? Do well to watch to the end. If you have watched to this point, thank you very much to my returning subscribers. I really, really appreciate you all. Thank you and see you guys.